What is going on, everyone? Greatest Hits here. I'm back yet again with another video for you guys today. Today we will finally be doing the aftermarket slip-on exhaust install. So right now the stock muffler is on. Now, mind you, I didn't have this thing on for the past week and a half because it just sounds so much better without the muffler. And there's a lot of crackles and pops, particularly verbals as they call it, and it's just it sounds so good, but it's a little bit drony and raspy up top, and there's a lot of vibration, but that's just because the muffler is not on. So I put it back on so I can show you guys a before and after on what it sounds like, and I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like with the muffler off as well. So let's do that first, and then I will show you guys the aftermarket exhaust that I bought from eBay. You know what? I'm going to show you guys the aftermarket muffler slash muffler delete exhaust slip-on, whatever you want to call it, for the 500. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It looks really good, guys, to be honest with you. It has this honeycomb type cylinder inside to make the bike sound a little bit more exotic. And then you have this adapter here that I was talking to you guys about in the previous video about me not having the right exhaust because I didn't have an adapter to go with it. But if I bought an adapter, it wouldn't fit on that exhaust, so that's why I took it back. I'd much rather do this for some sound until I want to actually heavily modify this thing. And I'll just say it right now. I want to put nitrous on this bike. I want it to be pretty dang fast for what it is for a 2-cylinder, and I want to go all the way. But for right now, this is what we're doing. And I figured spending $60-something on this that has good metal quality, it's stainless steel, versus a $200 slip-on that won't give you any kind of upgrade as far as horsepower and torque. It will only give you sound. That's pretty much it. I'm not spending $200 on something like this. I'd rather spend $60 all day, $60, but not $200. So let me show you guys a before and after of the stock exhaust and then the aftermarket exhaust. Pretty dang stock, obviously, and really no verbal sounds and crackles and pops at all. So yeah, let's get to removing the muffler. Alright, here's the exhaust already together. Make sure you put the exhaust clamp on first. Just slide it on there. Set the exhaust on. And then they give you a couple bolts and stuff. Get it now. pretty straightforward. I'll show you guys in a minute what I did to install this. This thing sounds so freaking good, you guys. Man, like I love it. I can't wait to ride it. And I'm also going to show you guys some flybys of the motorcycle on the street. And just let me know what you think. Comment below, like and subscribe, and click that bell for notifications for more videos. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this install. I love the way it looks. And yeah, guys, greatest hits out. Okay guys, so quick little thing here. I had to put the factory mounting bolt for the exhaust back on to this aftermarket exhaust system, and they gave me a S-shaped bracket to bolt this top part of the exhaust so it doesn't move around a whole lot. And I need to find the nut for this because I don't know where I put it. For some reason I thought I put it in the truck inside my toolbox somewhere, but it's not in there, so I don't know. I may have to find another nut for that back here. But once I install that, it shouldn't rattle and move up and down or anything like that while I'm riding. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this install. This aftermarket bolt here, nut and washer, basically bolts on to this extension bracket right here that has been made onto the exhaust. And man, it feels good, it looks good. I say pretty good quality. I say it's like a 8 out of 10. So pretty dang good. That was a Chevy Corvette. But pretty dang good. It looks pretty dang good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I really wanted to show you guys, just in case if you want this exact same exhaust on your Ninja 500 or 400 or 600 or 650 or 650, 636, whatever. It might be different depending on your bike, but mainly 400 and 500. motorcycles. I will send a link down in the description below.